Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can update your Google Chat app. So to do so, you have to do it through the App Store. So just find App Store in your app library. As you can see, it's right on the top. So just tap on App Store. And now you have to just tap on the search option, which is in the lower corner right next to the arcade. Just tap on it. And now go to the upper bar and now type in Google Chat. Hit search. And now you'll be able to see Google Chat option. So tap on it, and if there is an update, you'll be able to see update. As you can see, there is an update in Google Chat, so just tap on update. And now it will automatically start updating. So guys, that's how you update your Google Chat app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. If you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.